Would you like to see a magnificent 4,800 square foot custom home in the Crystal Falls Master Plan community built by a custom builder? Come on inside and take a look. Welcome to 2033 Mesita in the Views boutique community of Crystal Falls in Leander, Texas. First thing you're going to see is magnificent vaulted ceilings, 25-foot soaring ceilings, a beautiful chandelier made in Italy. And one thing you'll notice about custom homes is the lighting. The lighting in this home, designed by Tiepolo, makes the home literally glow. As you walk in, look at all the recessed lighting and how elegant your perspective of the house is as you walk in. These marble floors here are heated, so even in the wintertime, you're walking barefoot, no cold toes here, all warm. White oak hardwood floors throughout your very spacious living room here, with an open floor plan and a Brazilian quartzite kitchen countertop. The quartzite also matches here and all the way to the ceiling with Brazilian quartzite. Very nice touch and finish. This is your electric stove thermidor, which also integrates to Wi-Fi connection with your phone, so you can turn the oven on and off remote. And in custom home construction, we have this European style cabinetry. So notice these German cabinets create a continuous look and feel throughout the kitchen, and your refrigerator and freezer just blend in to the elegant style and design. Really nice finish and touch. Love this pantry here with its space-saving shelves that roll out. Really nice touch here. And for those who like private chefs and you want to have your own custom secret kitchen, here is a little surprise. You weren't expecting this. Another kitchen right here. Check this out. Beautiful lighting throughout. Now this is where your private chef will come in and prepare the meals away from the family and the living space. And so we have your sink, your dishwasher, all your appliances right here for the chef to use with electrical outlets. You're ready to go with your own private chef and butler's kitchen. Over here you have your custom LED fireplace. At the touch of a button, you can change the lighting features and colors. Walking through the living room to the dining room, we have another beautiful Italian custom lighting and a refrigerated wine cabinet. This wine cellar is chilled year-round at 58 degrees for all to keep your wine safe and secure. Let's go take a look at one of the guest bedrooms. So right here we have the first guest bedroom. Guest bedroom opens to the back patio. Wait till you see the outdoor kitchen. Here is our bathroom. Custom tile, beautiful marble countertops and shower. Now both the guest bedroom and living room and master bedroom all connect to this backyard and custom pool with its own gourmet kitchen. Here we have Coyote appliances and a KitchenAid washing dishwasher. You have your hot plate right here. 2 gas stovetops here in your custom kitchen. Now, when you design your home with Tiepolo, you can do anything you want in your custom kitchen. So this is a custom designed kitchen that the owners of this home chose. But if you want to put a grill or something more, here's your refrigerator. Imagine waking up and walking out here to your beautiful backyard with panoramic views of Crystal Falls all throughout Leander, Texas. Beautiful sliding back patio door here, opens fully. So imagine in the springtime or early fall, opening up the door, letting fresh air flow throughout the entire house. And this home comes with a custom outdoor screen. So here we can lower this screen right here. And this screen blocks the heat and the cool. So as this lowers all the way to the ground right here, you can heat this in the wintertime and you can cool this in the summertime. And a really nice design touch of this Tiepolo home is right up here, there's a space to put a projector for a television. So you can project a movie or a football game right here and you can watch the game on the screen. Really nice design touch. Walking into the master bedroom with a beautiful custom lighting feature here. Notice all the elegant lighting throughout this house. Every room literally glows with an elegant lighting style and design. Now, you're gonna love this master bathroom. It has very specific technologies that are very unique. As you walk in, first thing you notice is marble from floor to ceiling. 5-foot floating tub with a Brain Ultra technology right here. Beautiful his and hers sinks. And this shower has 5 shower heads, and they're controlled digitally by a Moen digital water faucet system. So all the hot and cold water is controlled by touch. You have a shower wand right here, 2 rainfall shower heads for a total of 5 shower heads in this custom shower. Love the architecture of this master bathroom connecting to your custom master closet. Now, if you think this is $1 million bathroom, this is also $1 million closet. Look at the custom cabinetry here. Soft closed doors. We have your own custom cabinet here to hold your shoes. And elegant lighting and accents throughout the entire closet. Walking in from the closet into the washroom. This is a very efficient design, connecting your master bedroom, closet, and washroom all in one continuous flow. This house is 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms. This is one of our 2 powder rooms in the house. German cabinetry here, custom wood finishes. And finally, the office of the home right here with another beautiful custom Italian lighting. The lighting in this house is really what makes this home shine. Let's go upstairs and see the second floor. So as you walk up to the second floor, notice the stunning chandelier and its effect from the top down. A really nice accent, beautiful symmetry in the chandelier. Coming into the second floor, immediately to our right is a family room. So this is where the family can enjoy their quiet time in the afternoon. The family room connects here to our game room. Now, what I love about this game room is this German cabinetry. This wood right here is German, custom countertops. Beautiful design and function. Here's your refrigerator. In this game room, we also have one of our 3 balconies built by Tiepolo. So you can enjoy an afternoon glass of wine, watch the sunset here. Let's go see the guest bedrooms. This is one of our guest bedrooms of the home right here. Now, this bedroom also connects to a beautiful balcony overlooking the hill country of Crystal Falls. And one of our 4 full baths. Every full bedroom has its own full bathroom in this home and architecture. Let's go take a look at the views from the second floor. Here we have your custom balcony with beautiful views overlooking Crystal Falls and Leander. This balcony connects both guest bedrooms on the second floor. This is our guest bedroom with its own full bathroom. Once again, beautiful marble from floor to ceiling. Love the color and design of this guest bathroom. Thank you for watching our home tour of the Tiepolo Custom Home. For more beautiful homes like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you're looking to upsize or downsize in the Austin metro area, click that link tree below the video for a free no obligation consultation. We look forward to working with you.